new venture into the unknown. You can't afford to let darkness hold you back. What if that darkness becomes your ally, illuminating the way with endless new possibilities? Introducing Duovox Ultra, a military-grade night vision monocular with full-color starlight technology. It delivers sharp, full-color real-time night vision with as little as 0.001 lumens of visible light. With its built-in high-capacity IR illuminator, you can even see through complete darkness. Duovox Ultra has two state-of-the-art night vision modes and a high-precision 7-element glass lens that allows you to detect and identify targets up to 500 meters away. Capture all your night adventures with its built-in SD card slot, stereo microphone, and high-resolution photo-video recording capabilities. With a built-in rechargeable battery and 5-hour life, you can take it on extended outdoor adventures. It can even connect to your phone via a custom app through a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot for real-time footage monitoring and capturing. The Duovox Ultra is compact, lightweight, and easy to carry, making it perfect for hunting, fishing, camping, hiking, boating, or even disaster preparation. Unlock the secrets of the night and take your adventures to the next level with Duovox Ultra. Get yours today on Kickstarter